Hello Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050, and here I have in front of me the second of two challenge locks made by Rallock67 that were sent to me in a package by Bosnian Bill. And I've just been having so much fun with these challenge locks that I figured, why not just do two of them in one day? I was gonna meter these things out and save them, but I figure why not just power through and get some of these uploaded. So this is a Long's mortise cylinder that I assume has been modified either in the pins or possibly with some countermilling or threading or who knows what's in here. I'm actually not familiar with the Long's brand, but looks to be a decent cylinder. Here is the key for it. Show you that it does work, and let's go ahead and try to pick this thing. I'm going to try this music wire top of the keyway tension wrench and a homebrew hook here. The keyway on this thing is massive. I don't know if you can see that, but there's absolutely no difficulty with access here, so let's see what we can do. Okay, got a little turn from 1, bigger turn from 2, pin 1 fell. Okay, reset 2. Okay, pin 4 is giving me some counter rotation. Okay, set pin 4. I think I heard, yeah, pin 1 fell, so did 2. And then pin 1 fell again. That one seems to reset on everything here, at least so far. Oh, yeah, I may have dropped 4 because it seems like it's, yeah, it needs to be set again. Do it with a bit lighter touch. Okay, I think that's set now. 1 fell again. Okay, that one wasn't all the way set. Okay, just gotta click out of 5. And there, I touched pin 2 and it's picked open. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside this thing. Sorry guys, I wasn't prepared here. Didn't even look at the back of this lock, so I just picked it up and started picking it. Alright. Okay, let's see. It's gonna be a large, yeah. Alright, 4 key pins here. 1 looks to be standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard, 4 is standard, 5 is standard, and 6 is standard. I do see there's some threading there on the third pin, so I expect we're going to find a serrated pin in at least the third position here. I didn't really feel a whole lot in the way of serrations in here, so I'd be surprised if there was more than that one. Well, I guess I'm going to have to eat my words here because the first pin looks to be sort of a serrated type deal. 2 is a spool. 3, of course, fell on me. I'll have to grab that here in a second. That was a very interesting looking pin. I only got a brief glimpse at it before it fell, but 4 is like a mushroom spool. 5 is a standard spool. And now I remember this because these spools are red. I remember Bill talking about them being evil red spools. So 6 is this very interesting, it's like a very shallow double spool. Maybe you could possibly call that a serrated pin. Alright, I found the third pin here. And it is not really, that darn thing just does not want to get filmed here. It's not really serrated. It's kind of like a, I don't know what you call that. It's like kind of a cross between a spool and top of a serrated pin. But anyway, here's the pins here. We have 6 standard key pins and a wide assortment of different drivers. We have 2 of the evil red spools, a mushroom spool, kind of like a double shallow spool, and then 2 kind of partially serrated, I don't know what you call those. But anyway, that's Rallock67's second challenge lock, single pin picked and gutted. And thank you very much, Bosnian Bill, for sending those my way. Alright, everybody else, thanks for watching.